In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoom meeting for the first time. If you've never used Zoom before, it can seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through this process with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to Zoom. You can do this either through your browser or the Zoom app. If you haven't yet downloaded the app, it's a good idea to install it beforehand, as it tends to offer a smoother experience. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the start screen. Look for the button that says Join a Meeting. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll need to enter the meeting ID. This is a unique code provided by the person hosting the meeting. It might be in an email invitation, a calendar event, or even a simple text message. Make sure you enter it accurately to ensure you're joining the correct meeting. Once you've entered the meeting ID, it's time to type in your name. This is the name that other participants in the meeting will see, so choose something that you want others to recognize you by. Whether you want to use your full name, a nickname, or your initials, it's entirely up to you. Next, you'll have the option to select whether or not you'd like to join with your video turned on. Consider your situation and how you want to present yourself. If it's more of a casual catch-up, you might feel more comfortable joining with video. Alternatively, if you prefer a bit of privacy, you can opt to join without it. This choice is yours to make. With those decisions made, go ahead and click Join. At this point, you might be prompted to enter a passcode. Some meetings have this additional layer of security, so if your host provided a passcode, enter it in here. If not, you can continue without it. Once you've clicked Join, you'll need to wait for the host to let you into the meeting. This is a common feature in Zoom that allows the host to manage who can enter, providing some control over the flow of participants. You may see a message saying, "You're in a waiting room." Don't worry, this is perfectly normal. And that's it. Once the host admits you, your meeting will begin, and you'll be all set to participate. Remember, joining a Zoom meeting for the first time might take a few extra minutes, but it becomes second nature with a bit of practice. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your meeting.